Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we have a new unboxing video. I brought a lot of bars, coins and paper currency that I would like to show you. Let's start from the bar. I brought a bunch of bars from Germania Mint. It's a very respected mint, very famous with its high quality. This is a 1 ounce bar. It has Germania Mint mark in the middle, and each single bar is shrink wrapped in this plastic cover with this hologram to prevent any kind of counterfeiting. It comes with a very nice box. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there's other stack below this one. One thing really nice about Germania Mint is that the packaging. The packaging is very nice. You can see this is not like normal printing technique. It's really, you can feel more like a dibbles, not just printing. It's really nice. And here 20 multiplied by 1 ounce, 3.9 silver cast bar, Germania Mint. I also bought the different sizes. So this is the 1 ounce just for comparison. This is 100 grams. Same as well. And you can see the serial number here at the bottom. Next is 5 ounce. Same design, but bigger, much bigger than the 100 gram, sorry. It's also shrink wrapped. Last but not least, this is 250 grams bar. Very nice. Really nice. So this is 250 grams, the 5 ounce, the 100 grams, and last but not least, 1 ounce. Very nice. So for people who really do like to care about their collection and their stack, I would definitely recommend the Germania Mint bars, because as you can see, the bars are individually wrapped in this shrink wrap plastic, and then on top you have as well the secondary packaging. It's carton. So for people who don't like milk spots, people who don't like the tarnishing, I think this quality packaging would definitely help. So these are the bars. I also brought as well from the same from Germania Mint, the 2025 Malta Golden Eagle 5 euro, and this is the 100 coins, I would say, the mini monster box. It has 5 rows or 5 stacks, and each stack has 20 coins. Very nice. I like the design here. This is the original packaging. Golden Eagle. And the other side here is the famous knights. Malta. I brought 100 of them. Then let's go for the semi-numismatic, also from Germania Mint, Knight of the Past 2022. This is also from Malta, Knight of the Past. Very nice. So this is what we call the semi-numismatic. It's not for pure stacking. People who really appreciate the design and the history behind the design, this may be a good choice. I believe they only minted 15,000 of this coin. €5, 3 nines, 1 ounce BU. 15,000 pieces only. So that's all for Germania Mint. Going to the numismatics, we have here the 1930 South African sovereign PCGS MS64. It's a very nice coin. I will make a separate video for this coin, but it's really nice in this condition. Going to the commemorative coins, 2018 San Francisco Mint silver reverse proof set. I believe that this is the only year that San Francisco made this kind of set. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the chat. It's a very nice set. Has here the $50, Liberty, the dime, and the quarter, and the dollar. It's very nice. All reverse proof. It's really nice set. And here is the quarter with all the design here. And these are made of silver. This is made of brass, basically. It's a very nice set. If you can get them with a good price, I think that will be very helpful. I brought 2 of them. Then I also brought a bunch of paper currency. So paper currency is very different from coins, but it has its own, I would say, charm. So all these are not, there is nothing special about them. They are available, but all of them are in mint condition, unk. Because of time, I will not going to explain all of them. Therefore, I just wanted to show a very quick Peru. You have here Latin Americas, Turkmenistan, Indians, Thai, and for Venezuela. Very nice. And last but not least, I also brought the new 2026 Japanese coin and banknote catalog. I always buy them every year to keep updated. I also buy the American Red Book and the equivalent books in different mints and different countries. It's very important to buy the book before buying any coin or banknote, just to know what's the fair value of a coin or a banknote when you buy or when you sell. And it's not expensive, right? These books Usually will be like $20, $25, around that. But it will really help you making the right decision in when you buy and when you sell as well. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very good day.